My motto is the same as what I was taught as a child in Boy Scouts. Always be prepared and make sure you have everything you need. And the same applies to motorcycling. 10 things every motorcycle rider needs. Stay tuned.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
Continually video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through. Every rider needs a good set of stands, and you don't have to break the bank to buy a nice set of stands. These stands I've had for years, and they're not a name brand. I'll include the link in the description and comment section of this video to these stands. And you're going to need to put your bike on the stand after every ride. This will help prevent flat spots on the tires and also allow you to do maintenance on the bike. Every rider needs a tire air pressure gauge. You need to check your air pressure before each and every ride. And I'll tell you guys, I've had a lot of different gauges over the years, and a lot of them were junk, but I have one that's been absolutely fantastic, and I'll include a link in the description and comment section of this video. A rider should clean and lube their chain at least every 300 miles. The chain is the lifeline of your motorcycle. A poorly maintained chain can not only cause poor performance for your motorcycle, but it also can be a safety issue. Should that chain snap, it could set you up for a real effed up day. So I'll include links in the description and comment section of this video on the chain cleaner, scrub brush, and lube that I use. It has been excellent over the years. And I also did a video on how to clean your chain. Every rider needs a torque wrench. Even if you're just doing a basic oil change, you want to make sure each and every bolt is tightened to the manufacturer's torque specifications. Believe me, you don't want to strip a bolt. I've had great luck with cheap Harbor Freight torque wrenches, which I've used for many years, but I also have digital torque wrenches as well, which I'll include a link in the description and comment section of this video. This is why every rider should carry a tire repair kit. And I have a really cool one that's very compact and comes with air cartridges, which I'll include a link to if you want to get it. And that brings me to the next item I think every rider should have is a tail bag, tank bag, or a backpack so that you can carry your tire repair kit and other emergency items that you'll need when you're in distress out there on the road. I'll include a link to the one that I have, which has been really awesome.
First off, it's great to have AAA RV coverage. In order to get covered on your motorcycle with AAA, you have to go with the RV coverage, which it'll cover your motorcycle, your cars, and if you have an RV, it'll cover you too, and it'll cover you up to a 100-mile tow. As where a lot of those other ones, like Progressive Insurance, they'll give you roadside assistance, but they only cover like a 30-mile tow. So if you're way the fuck out here in the boonies, they're not going to cover you that far, man. You're going to end up spending a lot of money for that tow back home, or you may want to tow it to a shop.
Every rider should have a high-vis safety vest. They're lightweight, inexpensive, easy to carry with you, and this is not only great to help you be seen and keep you safe out on the streets, but also should you get stranded, it'll help you be seen as well. Every rider should carry a Powerbank jump starter. Not only can it jumpstart your motorcycle in an emergency situation, but it can also charge your cell phone, GoPro Hero, or anything else you want to charge, and they usually have a flashlight on it. I'll include a link to the one that I have. Last but not least, every rider should carry a cell phone for obvious reasons. In my opinion, the best way to go is a standalone smartwatch, which not only has a cell phone on it, but it also has a heart rate monitor to help keep you safe. And also it stores credit cards, so that way you don't even have to carry credit cards with you when you go to the gas station. You can just wave your smartwatch on the credit card reader and you're good to go. And also they're a lot more compact than carrying that big brick of a smartphone like you normally do. Thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.